When TNXP was trading at approximately $12 per share, I told you guys that this was a ticker which I could see recovering and recovering fast. In fact, guys, the ticker since then is up over a whopping 50% at above the $18 levels. You don't believe me? Let's watch this video. This video came out on February 24th, 2025. Listen to what I said. A dead stock. Well, can TNXP recover, or is this truly a dead stock? Well, I got good news for you guys. It can recover, okay? In today's video, we're discussing the road to recovery for TNXP. Bam, okay? Now, let's go back to TNXP and let's talk about where is it headed from here on out. Well, the reality is, my friends, that when it comes to TNXP, this is a extremely volatile ticker, given its micro float of only $5.6 million or 5.6 million shares with a market cap of just a little bit over 100 mil. And this is after the company's gone on a parabolic rally, right, of over a 200% move, right, from the $6 levels all the way upwards of $18 per share. So for me, when it comes to TNXP, guys, this is one of those tickers that is very volatile, both to the upside and to the downside. And I think historically, right, the chart really does signify this, right? We had this move from $16 all the way to $194, and then a massive pump down to $29 again. Now, obviously, these were not the numbers at the time. This is split adjusted. But again, right, you guys understand what I'm trying to tell you guys, that this is one of those tickers that just as fast as it comes, just as fast as it goes away. And you want to be buying TNXP, guys, when no one else is talking about it, right? When everyone is bearish, you want to be buying TNXP. And this is really not one of those tickers which you want to be playing as a momentum stock. Maybe you want to be trading it as a day trading stock. That would be better than a multi-day swing trades. Mind you, in our own community, guys, we have freaking we have day traders, swing alerts, option alerts, shorting alerts. So I have a very wide scope of different stocks which I trade, and different stocks which I'm actually going ahead and paying attention to when it comes to, okay, well, this is a great swing trading stock, this is a good day trading stock, this is a stock which is good for a long-term hold, or yada yada, right, etc, etc. So when it comes to TNXP, I'm telling you guys this right now, this is not one of those tickers that you want to be holding for multiple days. Why do I say that? Because when we go over here and we actually take a look at the company's financials as well, right, we see that the financials are in shambles, right? The likelihood of them to going ahead and diluting us is actually very high. Yes, the company has 22 months of cash left on hand, considering that right now they have $115 million worth of cash in hand, and they only burn $15 million every single 3 months. Yes, I understand that. Yes, that is correct. However, historically, the company has been very dilutive, and their overhead supply is also very high. So they're going to likely take action on this volatility in order to dilute more shares. So with that said, guys, for me, when it comes to TNXP, although my previous prediction was that it's going to go up, now I would say that tread a lot more cautiously. Take some money off the top. And I know some of you guys are like, but Sam, my position is so red, I don't know, I'm losing money, yada yada. So I think this is very important, right? I think that cutting losses is one of the most important things when it comes to trading penny stocks, because although in large cap stocks like something like a Tesla or something like even Apple, Nvidia, yada yada, when the markets dip, the stock can recover after a while. When it comes to trading penny stocks, man, these companies are going to go bankrupt. Majority of them, I think, even if you look at the chart, right, there's a great quote. It goes, when in doubt, zoom out, right? I mean, think about all the people that bought over here, right? I mean, can you imagine paying $31,000 per share for this ticker? No, right? But what really happened over here? Well, the company had a reverse split. They diluted, reverse split, diluted, reverse split, diluted over and over again, right? So these are companies that are really just heading to $0 slowly but surely. So I think cutting your losses is such an important skill when it comes to trading these penny stocks, because sometimes not only are you going to be losing by keeping money in these, you're also losing based off of the opportunity cost of not being able to actually use that money and make back the money from the losses in other sectors. So again, I highly suggest cutting your losses if you believe that a stock is actually overextended to the upside, even though you may still be in the red. Because I'm telling you, if you're down, let's say $10,000, $15,000, you're going to be a lot happier cutting losses now and looking back and saying, wow, okay, well, thank God I dodged this bullet, right? Than holding and the stock goes down to now you're down 30%, 40%, and you're like, bro, why didn't I just sell? I wish I was down only $10,000, right? So this is a very typical thing that I see in a trader's journey, and that's all I'm trying to help you guys with, okay? Now, when it comes to Tnxp, we do have some solid levels over here at approximately $18, which the stock can bounce up to. And of course, we have this strong resistance over here at approximately $22 per share. So it's very interesting when I look at this price action, guys. Very interesting when I look at this price action. And I'm excited. I'm excited for it as a short. I'm excited for it as also a potential long opportunity if it drops back down to the closer to the $10 levels or even $12 range, right? As you guys can see, I mean, look at these lines I drew, right? It literally came down to these levels and it bounced from there. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's the beauty of technical analysis, because I mind you, these lines were drawn a very long time ago. Now, listen, if you guys want one-on-one advice from me, if you guys want to know exactly how to trade these stocks and get alerts on them every single day, and you guys want access to the day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, everything else, lessons, everything, do check out the Discord. The Discord right now, guys, comes with a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee, and for a limited time. It's not really limited time, it's limited member quantity. The next 10 members that join, they get access to the Discord for a 50% discount. There's really never been a better time to join the Discord than right now. I'm telling you guys that right now. Give it a shot. Try it out for the first 7 days yourself. See if you make money. If you make money, stick around. If you don't make money, pack your bags and leave and never ever come back again. I think that's really the most common sense thing that every trader should be doing right now is, hey, join, see if you make money. If you make money, come back for more. If you don't make money, leave, right? I think that's what I would do personally. Okay, that's personally what I would do. And yeah, that's why people keep coming back, right? That's really the reason why people keep coming back. So with that said, my friends, I wish you guys the best of luck, whether it's in trading or everyday life. Thank you for watching. Happy investing in trading. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.